You're so nice. What do you think about her? Yes, you're awful young to hold her, huh?
Nice, brother. Nice, big brother.
Much that bedtime every night.
You are so cool, Peter. Yes, you're cool. You got the baby all to yourself. Oh my gosh, do you believe it?
Aww. So nice. So nice.
I knew you could do it. I just knew it.